How to switch to a creator account on TikTok. Let's get started. At the moment, TikTok has removed creator account option, but don't worry, you still have access to all the creator tools right within your personal account. First, open your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Once you're in the For You page, at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of profile. Now at the top right corner, you're gonna find 3 bars. Click on that. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option of TikTok Studio. Click on that. This is the page where you're gonna find your creator tools. Your personal account already functions as your creator account. All the tools you need are right here. You can just go through this page and check. Now if you're interested in switching to a business account, head back, then click on the settings icon. Over here you're gonna find different options. Head towards the option of account. Now click on the option of switch to business account. Go ahead and click on next for all the options. Once you complete the process, your account will be switched to the business account. You can easily switch back to personal account by coming in this page. Keep in mind that business accounts have slightly different features compared to personal or creator account. With the creator tools, you can explore the creator portal, check out your analytics and see the number of views your videos are getting. These insights can help you tailor your content and grow your audience. So go ahead and explore all the creator tools available in your personal account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.